Hello students, welcome to my channel Kamal Sidhu. In today's lecture session, we are going to discuss various types of financial markets. Financial markets are the institutional arrangements by which savings generated in the economy are channelized into avenues of investment by industry, business and the government. It is a market for creation and exchange of financial assets. So we can define financial market as a platform where the buyers and the sellers are involved in sale and purchase of financial products like shares, mutual funds and bonds. We can say that financial market acts as a link between the borrower and lenders of the money. Hence, the financial markets are the center that facilitates buying and selling of financial instruments. The financial markets are of five main types. They can be differentiated on the basis of nature of assets, nature of claim, maturity of claim, delivery timing, and organizational structure. We will discuss these one by one. First are the financial markets based on the nature of assets, like stock market. So it is a market in which stock, shares, and securities of companies that are listed are traded after their IPO or initial public offer. So there is a detailed lecture on IPO and stock markets available on my channel. Then second is bond market. So bond market is also known as the debt market. This market permits the companies and the government to raise finance for a project or any kind of investment. Investors purchase bonds from the company, which later on returns the bond with the agreed amount of interest. It is a market to buy and sell debt securities. Next is the commodity market. So it deals with sale and purchase of natural resources or commodities such as grain, oil, sugar. This market trades in primary economics rather than manufactured products. Then is the derivatives market. So it is a market which deals in derivatives or contracts whose value is based on the underlying asset being traded. It is a market for derivatives instruments like future contracts, options, which are derived from other forms of assets. Then other is financial market based on the nature of claim. The first one is equity market. So it is a market where investors deal in equity instruments like stock or some other kind of instruments. It is basically the market for residual claims. It is the meeting point for buyers and sellers of stocks. The securities traded in the equity market can be either public stocks which are listed on the stock exchange or the privately traded stocks. Then is the debt market. So investors purchase and sell fixed claims or debt instruments like debentures or bonds in this kind of market. Then financial markets are also differentiated on the basis of delivery timing. The first one is cash market. So it refers to the market where all the transactions are settled in real time. It is a public financial market in which financial instruments are traded for immediate delivery. Then is the future market. So it is a market in which the delivery or the settlement of commodities takes place at a future specified date. So it is a market to buy and sell future contracts. The financial markets are also differentiated on the basis of its organizational structure. First one is exchange traded market. So these are the markets in which all the transactions are routed through some central source. So in this case, one party is responsible for being a link or intermediary that connects the buyers and the sellers. Then second type is OTC, that is over the counter market. So OTC market is the market with customized procedures and decentralization. So it is a type of secondary market. OTC has fewer regulations and is a less expensive market. Due to this, smaller organizations also prefer OTC. So OTC refers to a process in which securities are traded for the companies that are not listed on a formal stock exchange. Securities are traded through broker dealer network over the counter. So that's why it is known as the over the counter market or OTC. Next is the financial markets on the basis of maturity of claim. The first one is money market. So it involves the individuals who deals with lending and borrowing of money for a shorter time period. So it refers to a market where investors buy and sell securities that mature within a short time period, that is 1 year. It deals in sale and purchase of commercial paper, certificate of deposits, then corporate bonds, treasury bills. Hence, it is a market for short term loan less than 1 year. Then second type is the capital market. So it is a market in which investors buy and sell medium and long term financial instruments. In capital market, money is borrowed and lent for a longer period, that is more than 1 year. Further, capital market can be grouped into two categories. The first one is primary market, in which a company issues its shares for the first time, or already listed companies issues fresh shares. Then is the stock market, which is also known as the secondary market. So in this market, buyers and sellers sell already issued securities. Detailed lecture sessions on money market and capital markets are available on my YouTube channel.